The best knife rolls. Keep your knife collection safe and sharp with our list of the best knife rolls. Every professional chef carries high-quality knife rolls that keep all of their knives in one place for quick access. These knife rolls or bags protect the sharp knives and keep the edges intact for optimal performance. They also have guarded and separated compartments to help protect the knives from wear and tear. These knife rolls are available in various designs and sizes to suit your needs, so watch on to choose the right one for yourself or give it to a loved one. Number 1. Noble Home and Chef Store Knife Roll. The knife roll bag includes a handle for a better grip and a removable shoulder strap for convenience. It can hold up to 15 tools and has 10 slots for storing knives of up to 18-inch lengths. The tool roll bag is crafted from 600 denier cloth, thick polyester, and double-stitched seams. Features: tough and durable construction, 2 canvas cover flaps for additional protection, strong metal zippers and flexible straps offer better security, large pouch for carrying scissors, and 4 slots for tasting spoons. Number 2. Hercent Chef's Knife Roll. The knife roll bag can hold 11 knives in its sleeves. It is also useful for storing other equipment such as scissors, ceramics, carving tools, and utensils. The cut and puncture-resistant knife roll will not damage the knives and lasts long. It is travel-friendly and can carry knives and other tools with ease. Features: suitable for knives up to 18.8 inches long. Quick-release secure buckles wrap, built from premium quality heavy-duty waxed canvas fabric. Portable roll and travel-friendly, lightweight knife roll bag. Number 3. Keys Knife Case. The Keys roll bag is made of waxed canvas with zipper closure. It comes with 4 pockets to store and transport knives and other chef tools. The portable size tool roll bag is travel-friendly and easy to clean. Features: firm grip handle for convenience and easy carrying, puncture-resistant knife roll, lightweight and flexible, tough and waterproof, comes with a full refund warranty. Number 4. Everpride Chef Knife Roll. The knife roll bag can carry 10 kitchen knives and other chef tools, including carving, scissors, and other utensils. It comes with a travel-friendly bag and features a convenient handle and a flexible shoulder strap. Features: synthetic leather build, accommodates up to 18-inch long knives, protects from scratches, cuts or moisture, cut and puncture resistant. Number 5. Tajiro Japanese Canvas Knife Pocket F359 Carry Case. The Tajiro Japanese Knife Roll measures 17 by 10.25 by 0.5 inches and weighs 0.24 kilograms. It is a simple bag that can accommodate a maximum blade length of 9.4 inch 240 millimeters. Features: 5 slots for holding about 5 lightweight knives. The flap covering the handles protects the knives from scratches. Heavy-duty, thick canvas build, durable and easy to carry. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products as it will make your life much easier.